In this video, we will tell you the 9 things you should do to earn an additional income. Having multiple income streams is the basics of personal finance. By having multiple income streams, you will get rich easily, and you could also rest assured knowing that if one source fails, the other will be there to support you. Watch this video till the end when you may miss the opportunity to earn an additional income. Now let's start. 1. Take online surveys. You may do surveys online and earn money in a matter of minutes or even hours. Joining programs at sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie enables individuals like you to complete surveys for the chance to win cash or gift cards. In only a few hours, you may do a number of surveys on the internet and have some spending money in your pocket. Taking surveys online won't bring you a ton of cash, but it may be a great way to get some extra cash for those unexpected expenses, like new shoes or a movie night out. Using your laptop, you may be asked to participate in user testing for many websites, including the testing of new ones. 2. Sell your things on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Part of the smartest methods to get money fast is to sell what you currently own. Could your garage need some more room? It's probably full of old clothing, gadgets, books, and decorations. To clear up your storage space, you may have a yard sale or garage sale. But the good news is that you can sell all of that stuff online in no time at all on sites like eBay, Poshmark, Craigslist, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace. All of these sites allow you to post ads for things you're selling to nearby customers. Offers will start rolling in within days if the things are valued and in decent shape. Next, you'll have to make a decision. Take those offers or keep searching for greater parts. You may get rid of unwanted stuff like automobiles, clothing, and more by selling them online. If you want to know more amazing earning tricks, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. 3. Start an Amazon dropshipping business. It is common practice in the dropshipping industry to form strategic alliances with suppliers, distributors, shipping providers, and fulfillment experts. To sell items under your own brand, you need to establish a website as a dropshipper. You may get help from a freelancer. Your fulfillment partner then contacts the manufacturer and sends the product to the end user once you place an order for one of these goods. Online dropshipping allows you to avoid the usual capital and infrastructure requirements of running a brick-and-mortar store. This makes it a low-cost and easily accessible option for anybody looking to launch their own business. 4. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a novel kind of digital advertising in which you, the blogger or affiliate marketer, promote the goods and services of other businesses using your own online medium, such as a blog or an online store. Your partner will earn a commission on sales made by customers who click on your links to their items or services. Having a site already set up and operating makes affiliate marketing an ideal option to earn money quickly. There are affiliate programs you can join with well-known businesses, and a lot of them are Amazon-based. Include affiliate links to the top items in a certain area or sector in a blog article you write. If you want to know how to write blogs in no time, then add a comment below, and I will tell you how you can do that with AI. Having a readership may greatly increase your chances of earning affiliate revenues. There may be some additional time required to launch this money-making strategy if you do not already have a blog and following. 5. Pursue side gigs on freelance sites. Platforms for advertising freelance employment include Upwork and Fiverr. Using online job forums to find freelance side projects is a great way to make money fast if you have a talent that can be turned into freelancing work, like writing, graphic design, or programming. Making a smooth transition into a job with only an internet connection and a few skills may be done for decent money. You join one of these platforms, create an account, and then bid on customers' open projects. Working according to the client's instructions, you may earn money if you're hired. Sure, you can do certain tasks swiftly, and a lot of customers will be impressed. 6. Try pet sitting and dog walking. If you have an affinity for animals, you could find that apps like Rover provide great possibilities to earn money quickly. Now is your chance to fulfill your lifelong dream of becoming a pet sitter and earn a living while taking care of people's furry friends. You may make money pet sitting or walking dogs in less than 24 hours. Instantly accept offers to pet sit or walk dogs after creating a profile and filling it out with relevant information on the pet sitting app of your choosing. For animal lovers and owners alike, there is no greater way to earn a living than by providing a helping hand to those in need. Additionally, if you excel at what you do, pet owners will gladly give you a premium price or incentive to have their pets taken care of while they're away or out of town. When you're a pet sitter, keep in mind that it might be a while before you start making serious money. 7. Consider babysitting. Finding babysitting employment on social media may increase your earnings potential to the same level as pet sitting, if not more. Pet sitters are often not subjected to the same level of scrutiny as babysitters. Some online apps aren't always reliable when it comes to babysitting. The alternative is to acquire a solid reputation as a reliable babysitter in your neighborhood, which will open doors to job boards and recommendations from satisfied customers. While many parents need babysitting services on short notice, e.g., in the event of a family emergency, babysitting may be a great method to earn money rapidly. 8. Host guests on Airbnb. With Airbnb, homeowners can easily rent out their unused property to visitors and travelers, which is why the program is so popular. The instant your visitors show up, you'll start receiving payment from Airbnb, so it's a great way to earn money fast. Having said that, there are challenges and even dangers to Airbnb hosting. Your responsibility as an Airbnb host includes making sure your home is clean and tidy and that your visitors have everything they need for a comfortable stay. Your home must be prepared for the arrival of new guests after the current ones depart. 9. Become a delivery driver in free time. One of the most practical side hustles is delivery driving, which requires nothing more than a car and a smartphone, items that almost everyone already has. Quickly build a comfortable income as a delivery driver using one of the many popular ride-sharing or meal delivery apps like Lyft, Uber Eats, Instacart, or DoorDash. Drop off food at delivery locations, drive to and from restaurants, and wait for your smartphone to buzz you with delivery tasks. It might be the ideal chance for you if you have free time and are looking for a way to make money with little setup and frequent car use. Working for Instacart and similar services include assisting consumers with the purchase and delivery of groceries and other things, as well as acting as a delivery driver. That's all for today. Now you know all the things that you should do to earn an additional income in 2024. Press the subscribe button below if you really want to become rich and know some more amazing financial tips and tricks. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, family members, and all others for them to learn. Actually, for getting rich, you don't need to work hard. You just need to work smart. Press the like button if you loved watching this video. Drop a comment below if you have any queries or suggestions for us. Don't let these income streams go because these have the potential to make you rich. Ignoring these earning opportunities could not be an intelligent choice. I also used to had only one income source, but after I knew all this, I started doing all. Now I have multiple streams, and I can rest assured financially. The elementary rule of personal finance says that you should have many income streams. Sir Robert Kiyosaki, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, and all others have numerous income streams. They also invest their money into other businesses and stocks and into bonds, gold, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and many other assets so that they could grow their money without having to do any work. They also possess some good money habits which make them rich. If you want to know the best money habits, then click on the video appearing on the right side. Thank you.